Talking and thinking.
Hawk, hawk, hawk.
Talk, talk.
Shout, shout, shout.
Shout, shout.
Whisper, whisper, whisper.
Whisper, whisper.
Sing, sing, sing.
Sing, sing.
Laugh, laugh.
Laugh, laugh.
Cry, cry, cry.
Cry, cry.
Think, think, think.
Think, think.
Ask, ask, ask.
Ask, ask.
Answer, answer, answer.
Answer, answer.
Read, read, read.
Read, read. Helping and doing.
Clean, clean, clean.
Clean, clean.
Cook, cook, cook.
Cook, cook.
Draw, draw, draw.
Draw, draw.
Write, write, write.
Right, right.
Build, build, build.
Build, build.
Carry, carry, carry.
Carry, carry.
Catch, catch, catch.
Catch, catch.
Throw, throw, throw.
Throw, throw.
Push, push, push.
Push, push.
Pull, pull, pull.
Pull, pull. Great job, everyone! You did amazing with your action verbs. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss more fun with JC Learning Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.